topic today is, can we or can't we grow as athletes as we start to age? And the answer is actually very simple. Yes, we can grow. And here's why I say that. Because as athletes, our job is to continue to get better, to continue to work at perfecting our craft, to work at strengthening our weaknesses. And if you can't do that because you're older, then you're probably too old to continue on as at that level. And you shouldn't be fighting, or you shouldn't be playing, or you shouldn't be competing. But our job as athletes is to get better, is to learn, is to figure out how to learn and be better.